Ouch! You see, this is a common problem in the market with electric doors. Their anti-pinch safety factor is not high enough. So, to avoid this problem, usually one indoor sensor and another outdoor sensor are required, which generates a lot more cost. Furthermore, you have to find a way to decorate or hide it beautifully. At this time, you can see that I am still on the ground trying to clean up the broken egg. The door closes again. This means that if there are children or pets in the home, or when there is a dropped item, the height is not enough. The closing door leaf will cause pinch injuries or chances of damaging items. Here is GCC's latest automatic sliding door system with AI technology. Let's see how the egg reacts under this automatic sliding door system. Great, the egg is not even cracked. This is the highest level of security protection in the world. Someone must be wondering if it's true. Let's break an egg and show them. Have a look, it is a real raw egg. Well, at this time, let's check what happens if you got pinched by the door panel. Unbelievable, there is no safety issue with a finger trapped or pinched. Finally, let's simulate if there are children or pets at home today. In case of insufficient height, whether you have sensors installed or not today, there is no safety problem at all. See, the door also rebounds softly after it touches any object halfway through closing and opening. Let's check the top track design of this system. The top track is very small, so it can be perfectly matched with your interior decoration and partition frames. Additional material to hide or decorate the track is not required. Oh yes, the most important thing is, the system only requires 1 of 6 power consumption of a traditional automatic doors system, which elevates your design to the next level. Follow us on YouTube to find out more product information or scan the quick response code after this video.